Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for April 2022 last week, and I'm doing this video now to show you what I received in the bag. I received this Ipsy Glam bag monthly, and I'll list the price that I pay for the glam bag each month in the description. And I just want to show you what I received in the bag. I have taken out the items out of the bag. And yeah. And this is what the bag looks like. It's a sequence bag. And it's like, you could do like this. And you put it down like this. And it's a pretty blue sequence bag, and yeah, and it has the Ipsy over here on the tab, and the inside is lined. So that's what the bag looks like, and the back is like that too. And I like this, that you could just turn it different color. It looks like it's silver there. And this is what the bag looks like. Now, I'm going to show you the card that came in there. This time they didn't put the name of the products on the card or anything, but I'm just going to show you the card. And this is what it says. It says April 2022, keep growing. It says spring is here, and just like you, the earth has come alive. Take this month to plant big ideas, nourish your skin, and live a little. It says live a little greener because it's your season to bloom. And then it has the hashtag, and it says Ipsy keep growing. So that's what that looks like. And then it has like three ways to upcycle your glam bag. And that's what it looks like. I'm not going to read it. I'm just showing you that. And this is the back. And again, this is what the front looks like. Now the first item is Dionis. It says here, and it's goat milk skin care. And it says here that it's white jasmine and shea. And it says here, goat milk body lotion. Hydrates and moisturizes. Will soothe and repair dry skin. So that's what that looks like. I don't have the price of the items. So I can't tell you how much they are. The next item that I received is by Marc Anthony. And this is for the hair. It says Strictly Curls, Curl Envy, Leave-In Conditioner, Detangles and Defrizzes. Hydrates dry and frizzy curls. And it says avocado oil and shea butter. And so this is for the hair. Strictly Curls. Then the next item that I received is called Glow recipe, and it's watermelon glow, and it says dewy drops. And let me just check on the inside to make sure that I have this right. I want to see what they say this is for. Oh, okay. This is face serum for your face. And it's by Glow Recipe. I got a lot of products for the skin. I don't like to get too many products for the skin because I don't like putting everything on my skin. Causes breakouts. Now the next item that I received is called Lucky Chick. And this is a lipstick, and it's called Paradise. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like. It's very nice. I like this. And I'm gonna put it on my hand here to show you what it looks like, and that's what it looks like. And again, this is what it looks like here, and it's called Paradise. This is a full-size product. And the last thing that I received here is, let me just check what this is. It says here V Kosmetik, I guess. Kosmetik. And it has a V here right there, and it's a blush. And this is what it looks like. And it's called, this is called Natural Kiss. Natural Kiss. That's what it looks like. And I'm not gonna put this on my arm because I might want to give this to somebody, a friend or family. I'm trying to get this to stay up, but I don't think it will. Okay, but these are the items that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag. I get the regular Glam bag. I don't get the one that's a little bit more expensive, like $25. So, or $26. So yeah, these are the items that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for April 2022. Please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. And I want to just thank you again for watching. And goodbye.